I am here. So first about this form, uh, this is what I suggest. First of all, we need to remove that, and if we can put, instead of this strip, to put this black strip or something like that. So you know what, forget about it, just we will need to change this. Okay, now your form, okay, that's fine. This will need to be here because it will be right to left. Drag and drop components, okay, it need to be right to left. Form name, uh, I don't think we need this option, okay, and anyhow it's not needed, but we can leave it like that. Okay, let's go over for the things we don't need. Thanks input is fine. What is this? Help. I don't know why this help in the middle. Password input. Help need to give instruction. I understand. We don't need this text. Okay, this help text. Password input is not needed. Search input not needed. Prepended text. What is this prepended text? I don't know. It's not needed also. It's not something needed. You know, the things that's important, they are text input, email email input, and that basically drop down would be fine. Text area, it's good. Checkbox, it's fine. Prepended checkbox, I don't know what is prepended, but it's not used, not need to be used. Anyhow, the most important is drop down, basically text area, email input. This is fine. It can be. It's confusing. I myself don't know what is if this is the drop down. So what there is drop down here in the input? Maybe I don't understand it. I see it button drop down. What is this? What is the difference? Let's see. I don't know. Maybe you can explain me the difference between them. I'm not sure. What is the difference? Okay. Anyhow, you can see. For example, let's take input text. Yeah, the input text. This is the text. Input text. This is the label. Okay. For example, in Hebrew, this is name. Okay. This is how name is supposed to be. You see, it's on the left side. It needs to be on the right side. Okay. And the dots need to be here. This is how Hebrew works. You know. Either it be on the right side or it be on the top on the right side. Okay, this is applicable for any label. You know, it need to be not in the left. All this area need to be in the right. Okay, this help button, I don't know why there is help button. Okay, maybe to click to see how need to be done this function. Okay, fine. So anyhow, this is regarding right to left. Okay, let's go to the buttons. Is good, it's great. Double button, I don't need it. I don't know what they use for it. Maybe you can explain to me. Render is fine. This is the code that the person take, copy paste it, and put it inside the autoresponder. About I don't need. What is inline check? Okay, I think this is confusing with all the labels here. See, too much options, too much confusing. Even for me, you need to think like if I'm 4 or 5 years in working in building websites and I need to see and try to discover every function, what he's doing. Now it's like I need to learn about it. Okay, I need to have the time to figure it out, and this is not what I want. It's have to be very simple, like for dummies that don't know and don't understand for anything about. They know like Facebook, or they know how to open Word and put documents, or how to drag here a picture or something. This is the level of the people that are going to use this system. Okay, I like this drag and drop, but there is so much things confusing. You have to understand my viewpoint. So this is this is what I think, and if you have an idea, tell me about it. My idea was, about the email address and confirmation and message. Maybe something like a button here, your settings, something like that, and then the person can put everything here. Anyhow, if it's not possible, then not. It's not so much user friendly to build the form and then put the steps later on. But if it cannot be possible, fine. And my last thing that is very important, I don't want to have any problems in copywriting. Okay, so uh, please tell me that it's okay to use this. I don't want any problem. And I'm going to translate this to Hebrew also, all the buttons, all this, because this is going to be everything in Hebrew. All this system have to be in Hebrew. You see, this is the reason I put it right. I ask you to put it right to left. Okay. And that's all. If you have any more ideas, tell me about it. I like in general this form. It's look clean, nice, less complicated, but still need a few modification to make it simpler to the user. Thank you.